What is up, my besties? Butter is, you know I'm here, okay? Butter is here. Hey guys, I am out here in these streets. I'm about to go get my car washed. My car is filthy. I haven't gotten my car cleaned since, I don't know, November, December sometime, right before I had my surgery. Just like my feet. Well, I washed my feet, but you know what I mean, got a mani and a pedi type of thing. So anyway, I'm gonna go and get a car wash, and then also I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby because I need to get some products for my business, and just to have a quick conversation with you guys. So if you think that's something that you're into, just stick around. I'm gonna tell you all about being welcomed. All right, guys. So guys, as you already know, I've moved into my new apartment, and I really like my apartment. Like, I really like my apartment. It's quiet, it's peaceful. I call my apartment peace. So I'm at peace, and I'm trying to get adjusted to the new quiet. It's just different from where I used to live to I am now. Like, where I used to live, it wasn't bad or anything. It was just more people in the house where you just hear more noises, you know what I mean? So now it's just my son and I. So it's just really quiet, and sometimes it's so quiet I'm just like, oh my God, how am I gonna adjust to this new quiet? But anyway, I say all that to say, I was relaxing, and I had gotten a text message from my landlord, and he was like, that to go check outside because there is something by my door. And I was like, yeah, I was like, what is by my door? I didn't order nothing from Amazon. I didn't have any other things like delivered or anything. So I end up going outside, and I see flowers and an 18 count of eggs and a card. And so I'm like, what is this? Because I don't live in an apartment building or anything. I live in a house, so, which is great. So anyway, I went out to my front door, and that is what I saw. I was so excited that that's what I saw. I can go. And it was a welcome card, and it basically said, you know, welcome to the neighborhood. I hope you like it here. You know, her name was Lori, and she introduced herself and gave me her phone number, and if I needed anything or what have you, then just to reach out to her. I thought that was so nice. I was like, people do this still? Oh my God, it felt so nice. I felt welcomed. I was happy about it. And I texted her back and told her, thank you, I appreciate everything that you have done, and that hopefully I'll be meeting her soon, you know. So anyway, I still haven't met her, but I do see people coming in and out, and I don't know who's who yet. But anyway, I just really appreciated it. So yeah. So anyway, I'll finish this up in a minute. Let me go get out my car. Here she goes. So she was dirty. It was working on it for a while. So guys, my car, as you can see, is nice and clean. So as I was saying that, I called her back and everything. I texted her and I said, you know, hopefully we can meet soon and stuff of that nature. And she said, that sounds great. So I am excited about where I live. It's really, really nice, as I was saying. So I feel welcome. I feel welcome, but now I feel hungry, okay? A butter needs something to eat. Didn't eat much this morning because my stomach was a little upset, but I definitely feel better. But I think that's all I have to say for today, is that about feeling welcomed. Yeah, I feel welcomed. So that is all I have for you today. I'm still going to go to Hobby Lobby. I'm still going to do my little errands and then take my butt back home, because I ain't trying to be out here spending all this money. Y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all already know. Butter is out. TTY. It feels nice to be seen today.